Hi guys, this is PJ. Welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So in the last video we went through some $1 coin rolls. Check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. And now we're going to go through some $2 coin rolls. So these are security rolls, all circulated coins, $50 worth of coins, so 25 coins in each roll. So as the same as what we did with the $1 coins, we'll go through these and see what we can find. And hopefully something worth looking at and keeping. But a lot of $2 coins just really aren't worth keeping. There's a number of, or really only one or so low mintage coin that's not a coloured coin, which is the 2011. But all of these are run-of-the-mill. Just make sure you check the rotations, check on the sides, check for anything abnormal. So that's a 1998, which is the first one that came out in the $2 coin. Not seeing anything too amazing right now, but that's a 2014 and 89. So we're just going to go through 5 rolls today, and we'll skip through them fairly quickly because there's not a heap to talk about, to be honest, with $2 coins. Unless you find a coloured $2 coin. But we'll see what we find in these rolls. Hopefully we can find something. Bit of damage there. It's nothing. Nothing the mint has happened. This is called PMD, which is post-mint damage. So that has happened while it's been in circulation there. So yeah, nothing worth keeping there. It's a 2017 $2 coin. Don't know what the mintage is on those ones as yet, but seem to find a fair few. So I have kept a few, and which I do. When you don't know what the mintage is going to be, it's certainly worth keeping. But that one had a bit of wear, so I'm not going to bother keeping that one. So it didn't look like we found anything in that first roll, so let's keep going. Alright, what have we got here? 1990. I think a 1990 is fairly low mintage, but in that condition, not worth keeping. And nothing there. I do see a coloured coin down here, so let's have a look at that one while we can see that. What have we got here? Okay, this is from the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games 2018, $2 coin. We've got a koala in the middle there. So this is one that I'll keep. The 2018. Might be worth $2.50, $3 in this sort of condition, but still pretty tough to sell. Yeah, I'll hang on to that one. So that's good. At least we found something today. I'll put that there. So we're just going through. We'll see how many we can get through. We'll quickly try and get through these guys. 2008, 1992, there's a 2014, there's a 2007. So yeah, make sure you just rotate them all, check that they're all up the right way, and keep on going through them. Here's one that is a fairly low mintage, but I'm not going to keep this one because I've got quite a few. But if you don't have one, keep one. This is a 50th anniversary of decimal currency, so 2016 coin. So yeah, but yeah, keep them if you find them, if you want, but I don't expect that they're going to go up in value too much. Okay, no. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030, 2031, 2032, 2033, 2034, 2035, 2036, 2037, 2038, 2039, 2040, 2041, 2042, 2043, 2044, 2045, 2046, 2047, 2048, 2049, 2050, 2051, 2052, 2053, 2054, 2055, 2056, 2057, 2058, 2059, 2060, 2061, 2062, 2063, 2064, 2065, 2066, 2067, 2068, 2069, 2070, 2071, 2072, 2073, 2074, 2075, 2076, 2077, 2078, 2079, 2080, 2081, 2082, 2083, 2084, 2085, 2086, 2087, 2088, 2089, 2090, 2091, 2092, 2093, 2094, 2095, 2096, 2097, 2098, 2099, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, Nothing of interest there. No. Alright, put them aside, grab another roll, let's keep going. So if you check out my other videos, you'll see that I've put out a video of getting these coins from the actual bank, and you can have a look at that. And I've also got another video recently uploaded where I've returned coins to the bank via a canning machine, which is very helpful these days. Rather than standing in line, I can do it at any time of the day, which is great. I tend to go at night when there's not so many people around, which can be a bit of a security risk as well for yourself, but if you've got someone who'll come along with you and just sort of keep an eye out, make sure no one's coming up behind you and doing stuff like that, but I find it fairly safe where I do it, so you all know your own areas and whether or not you've got banks that do allow 24-hour banking. So I'm not finding anything too much of interest here. We're going through them fairly quickly. I apologise for that, but I don't want to take up too much of your time. But hopefully we find something interesting and I'll bring that to your attention, but not so much so far. 97 and nothing there. Alright, 2 more rolls, so $100 more to go through. Or 50 coins. It is fairly common to find coloured coins because there's just so many of them out there these days. Oh, here's another one. So this is another one of the series of the Commonwealth Games coins, so you can see that one's a little bit different than that one there. But these guys are from the same series, so they're both 2018 coins. I think there's 3 different ones in that series. Nothing. 2010. Nice to find a 2011 or something, but not as yet. 2010, 2005, 2009, another 2010, so here's a 2017 again. It's always good when you see a nice shiny coin because you think it could be something good. No, it doesn't look like we're going to find anything else in this roll. No. 2005. So, alright, one more roll to go, guys. So in the next video we'll probably do some 50-cent coins. We'll be going through some 50s and we'll see what we can find in that lot. 2015, 14, 88 and 89, 2010, 2003. So yeah, you can get through $2 coins fairly quickly because there's not really a heap. There's another one of those, quite nice condition, that one. I'll put it aside, maybe it'll become a keeper, we'll see. And no, 2001, 2009, 2016, 89, 2013. This is a nice grade one for a 1989 coin, which has been in circulation for a long while now. Yeah, it's unusual to find one that is this nice, but yeah. And another 2016, so I think we've gone through everything today. Yep, no, we've gone through it all. So Well, that's all we found for today. Out of those lot there, so these are ones I'll definitely keep. I don't think I will keep the other one, but keep an eye out. Lots of different coloured coins, and I keep them all. So make sure you put them aside, and whether you put them aside for your children or whatever you may be, but certainly keep an eye out. Thanks for watching, guys.